Oh God. Oh God, no one is picking my call. Now who should I call? Oh God, even I have no time. Pankaj? He always helps me. Let me call Pankaj and see.
Oh wow. Baby, today you have called me. Oh my god.
Actually, the thing is, Pankaj, I wanted your help. I was making geography assignments and I don't understand anything. Can you please help me out in that?
Yes, why not? I am your friend. If I'll not come to help you, who will come? Tell me what kind of help you want.
So if you're free, come at my place right now. Right now.
Yes, sure, I'll come now.
Okay. Yes. Come.
Hello.
Hi. Let's go inside. Pankaj, come fast. Do you know so
Yes.
much of work is pending?
I've come here, so I'll help you now.
Will you have water first?
No water. First, I'll do the assignment.
Okay.
What do we have? Give me that. This is geography.
This one.
Good.
This one.
This one?
I didn't understand this one. Please see.
This is good. This is very important. Let's do this.
And tell me what's going in college.
Nothing much in the college.
See this one?
Professor comes and gives his lecture, and then we come out of the class.
Okay.
This is important. Do this.
Okay.
And then this one.
By the way, you're so much helpful. Thank you so much.
What are you saying? Come on. I'm your friend. If I'll not help you, then who will help you?
Okay, now you sit and go through it. I'll get tea for you. Okay,
What
just
is the
1
need
minute.
of the tea?
No, just wait.
Okay, till then, I'll complete your task.
Yeah, you carry on. Enough. All the
Oh.
assignments you are going to do or what?
It's almost done, approximately.
Thanks a lot,
It's almost complete. Thank you.
No problem. You helped me so much. This is just a small favor.
No. I am your friend. If in
Okay.
future, if you need me, tell me. I'll come for you.
Yeah. Thank you.
If you need any other kind of help, please tell me only, huh?
Yeah, sure. I'll call only you.
I'm your true friend. I'll come as soon as possible. Okay?
Yeah, definitely. I'll tell you.
Okay then. I'll
Stop
leave.
talking and have that tea. You talk a lot.
Okay. When I sit with you, I cannot stop myself from talking with you. I sit all alone.
Yeah.
Wow, what a tea.
Thank you.
Very lovely.
Okay. You've got to go, right? I'll drop you. Come on.
So I'll take my leave now.
Yeah.
Okay.
Come. You can keep the cup over here. Yeah. Rahul, you know what? I was waiting for you from so long. You took so much of time. And just because of you, I have to be friends with that Pankaj. I don't like him at all.
I know that. and I'll look after that Pankaj. And let me tell you why I'm late. You know na, I have started a new startup. I'll have to take some time with that.
Please, Rahul, you don't know. My mom dad wants to get me married somewhere else. And I cannot live without you.
And you think I'll let that happen? I'll wrap up my work as soon as possible and then I'll come and talk to your parents. And as soon as I finish my work, I'll come to your house and talk to your mom and dad and ask for your hand and I'll take you to my home.
Promise?
Promise. Preeti, you are so beautiful. I like you so much. I cannot tell you how much I like you. Preeti, I like you too much. I love you, I love you, I love you, I love you. How will I tell you that I love you so much? Preeti, I'm all yours. I'm all yours. I'll never let you go from me. Brother, why are you so upset today? Is everything fine? Tell me if you are my true friend or not. Yes, I'm your true friend. Tell me no. I love a girl too much. Yes, I know. And today I saw her in someone else's arm. Did you see her with your own eyes? Yes, with my own eyes. I think you were mistaken. No, this can't be happen. Do one thing today, brother. Go and talk to Preeti and go now. By hook or by crook, I'm with you. The whole boys are with you. What are you talking? She is your girlfriend. She loves you. You also love her. Go and talk to her. Go. I'm with you. Go. Best of luck. From last 2 years, I've been asking him for my money. He's not giving my money. Now I'll have fun. Now he will see. Now he will see what she can do. Boy, you will come to know what happened today. Today you will know. Preeti?
You?
What is wrong with you?
What are you doing here?
What are you doing with that boy?
You just get
No.
out. Get out
No.
of here. By the way, you got to know, right? He was my boyfriend. You're such a big fool. You know what? I just made friendship for my own benefit. Who will be friends with you? You are such arrogant. Go get lost. Such an ugly looking guy. You know what? You have no single friend in the college. I made you friend for my own benefit. You are mental, a madman.
You have used me?
Yes, I abused you. What will you do?
I used to make assignments for you all day long. And then you were
Oh
using
God,
me.
you stop all this nonsense, please.
I love you, Preeti.
Leave me.
If you are not mine, then you'll never be with anyone else.
What are you doing?
I'll kill you.